Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about 8.10 and 8.12. So we are going to be finding the volume of a solid where we rotated about a line. So you can go ahead and look at this first example. I have the region bound by y equals x squared, x equals 2 in the x-axis. And we're going to rotate it about the green line, y equals -1. So it's a horizontal line. Okay, so there's a few ways you can think about this. One, you can just memorize that if you're rotating it about a horizontal line, that's going to be dx, or you can just think of it like the x-axis shifted down. So next you're going to do a line reflection, which I just did there, because the visual is really helpful, and we're finding the volume of what I am highlighting in yellow right now. See all that empty space in that pink color right there? So we're going to have to use the washer method. I would suggest drawing the picture. This is how I teach it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we are going to draw our discs in. So once again, you're rotating it about a horizontal line. We're going to be integrating with respect to x. If you rotate it about a vertical line, so like x equals line, you're going to be integrating with respect to y. All right, so my discs need to be perpendicular to the line, shade up until what we're flipping over. So you can see here I shaded up until the line y equals -1. So my big radius is top minus bottom, x squared minus -1, so we're going to get x squared plus 1. Now my small radius is going to be my empty space, so you can go ahead and see I'm drawing my disc, shading it up to the line I'm flipping over, and it's going to be 0 minus -1, so my small radius is going to be 1. So my volume is going to be pi, big radius squared, minus small radius squared. Now from x values, from 0 to 2, and that's it. Now that was the washer method. Let's look at this region, same exact region again, bound by y equals x squared, the line x equals 2, and the x-axis. And we're going to rotate it about a different line here. So we're going to rotate it about the line x equals 2. All right, let's do it. Let's do a line reflection. And we know that this is a vertical line, so it's going to be dy. So if you do a line reflection, you can see that there's no empty space. It's going to be the disc method. Think of it like a Hershey Kiss that we're finding the volume of. So since it's dy, my discs need to be perpendicular to the line that we're rotating it about. Shade up until the line that we're rotating about. And now it's going to be right minus the left function. Well, we know if it's dy, I better not see any x's in my integral. So if y is equal to x squared, solve for x. X is plus or minus rad y. In this case, it's positive rad y. We're in the first quadrant. So the radius is going to be 2 minus rad y. Alrighty, let's plug it in. So now it's going to be pi r squared dy, and we need y values. So we're going to be integrating from 0 to that dot right there, 0 to 4. Remember, you're using y values because it is dy. And that is it.